Welcome! In front of me I have 70MAI Saphir and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch we need to press and hold the upper button and keep holding it for about 10 seconds, I would say. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. Once you see the MAIMO logo on the screen, you can release the button and then wait until the watch is done rebooting. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.